Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic today is about probability density function. So now I want to show you how to answer. When it is provided that the probability density function of continuous random value s defined in form 0 to 1 is the function ax plus 8. What is the value of 8? So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that about probability density function, the interaction from a to b of the function f of s dx, they always equals to 100% or number 1, because if we graph on the function like this, we know that the value of this one, they always equals to they always equals to 100%. That's why we have equals to number 1. So we know that from 0 to number 1, so 0 they will be in here, number 1 gone here. The function ax plus a will be in here. So we have the formula. So this one we have number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. 1 plus 1 we have number 2. So the integration of s, we have s squared over 2. A, that is about ax, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So number 1 I will put this one gone here, number 0 I will put this one gone here, and we have like this. So if we simplify it, and we have 8 over 2 plus 8, and this one we have 8 over 2, and we know that this one equals to number 1. So we divide both sides by 3 over 2, and we have 8 equal to 2 over 3, and we need to select about number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.